If your production schedule changes every day, or if your team is constantly scrambling to finish yesterday's work, your problem isn't the shop floor. It's not planning, it's not even capacity. Your production schedule is broken, and today I'm going to show you why. Your production schedule is not a list of hopes and wishes. It's the execution layer of your MPS, especially inside the frozen horizon. It tells the shop floor, this is what we are building in this sequence with the materials we have and within the capacity we committed. When the schedule is reliable, flow improves. When it collapses, everything downstream suffers: on-time delivery, customer promise dates, capacity, and planner workload. Here are the real reasons your schedule breaks, and none of them are a surprise. On-short releases. If you release a job without all its materials, you've already chosen rework and wasted capacity. Too excessive WIP. When everything is already started, you lose the ability to control priorities. 3. No daily cadence. If you aren't reviewing the schedule every day, the gap between plan and execution grows until the week is lost. 4. No exception management process. Exceptions will happen, but without a structured recovery plan, one missed job becomes a week of firefighting. This is the meeting most companies skip, and it's the one that matters the most. Step 1. Review with the production planning team. You start by looking at last week's scheduled completions. What finished, what didn't, and why. Then you look at this week's schedule. Do you have the capacity to absorb last week's shortfalls? If yes, you fit them in. If not, you stop right there. Step 2, connect with the master scheduler. This is where most organizations break the chain. If an order can't be completed this week, your master scheduler needs to reslot it into a future period based on actual capacity, not hope. They update the MPS and you now have a new promise date. Step 3, close the loop with customer service. You communicate the new commit date clearly and professionally. No excuses, just facts. Reliability beats speed every time. Exceptions happen. You will release a job short at some point, but exceptions should be intentional, not accidental. If you release something short, planning must understand the impact, buyers must commit to an ETA, outside processing must be tracked, and the exception must be reviewed every single day. This is why you need a hybrid tier meeting, lean fundamentals, paired with digital visibility through CTB, dashboards, and real-time shortages. This daily cadence protects capacity, keeps priorities stable, and prevents yesterday's shortage from becoming today's crisis. Your production schedule isn't failing because your people don't care, it's failing because the process isn't protected. When you tighten your Monday review, manage exceptions intentionally, and run a strong daily tier meeting, your entire operation becomes predictable, and your MPS finally converts the way it should. I'm Michelle, your SIOP and supply chain strategist with Streamline Consulting Group. Hit the subscribe button for more Streamline insights, and let's fix the flow and grow your business.